show that this function is O(n) log n with c equals 4. Well, we can take the absolute value and use the triangle inequality by taking the absolute value of each separate term. So we can write these all as positive terms. And using c equals 4, that's less than or equal to 4 by n log n. So this here is our left hand side. So if we subtract the fastest growing term from both sides, we end up with 2n plus log n is less than or equal to 4n log n minus 3n log n, which is n log n. So given we have two terms for our function, we compare each term with 1/2 of the fastest growing term. And similarly, we compare log n with 1/2 of n log n. So if you add these together, you get the original inequality. So doing a bit of algebra, we can cancel n here and multiply through by 2. So we get 4 is less than or equal to log n. And taking 2 to the power of both sides, we get 2 to the 4 is less than or equal to n. Now for the second inequality, we can cancel out log n and multiply through by 2, which gives 2 is less than or equal to n. So therefore the absolute value of our function is less than or equal to c by n log n if n is greater than or equal to the larger value, which is 2 to the 4 or 16. And therefore our function is O log n with c equals 4 and n naught is 16. Please subscribe, like and comment to help me reach more students.